Another exercise you may have seen before using the foam roller is a backwards roll over top of it. And this is applying that pressure right to the spine in a posterior anterior motion, which is helpful for loosening up the joints. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna lean back over top, get my hips off the ground to apply some pressure to my back and roll over. And if I find a spot that's kind of stiff, I'm gonna relax, take a few breaths and try and sink into that spot, come back through, and again, working my way up and around until that starts to loosen up. If I'm feeling any very, very sharp pains, probably avoid this exercise, but it tends to feel fantastic. Hey everybody, my name is Nick Ontkean, athletic therapist and strength and conditioning coach in downtown Calgary at the MNP Community and Sport Centre. I'm here today to talk to you about the mobility and movement program we have here starting this fall in September. This is a one-time per week program, 45 minutes in length, which you'll go head to toe through the body, exploring different ways to enhance your mobility and your movement. We'll do range of motion through the neck, the mid back, the low back, hips, knees, and even the ankles. Lots of things to cover. This program is for everybody of any level. So if you've got chronic pain issues, you're an ex-athlete who's kind of feeling the bumps and bruises of your career right now, or someone who's just generally interested in enhancing mobility and movement and figuring out what it all means, this program is for you. Don't hesitate to reach out. Again, this starts in September. We'll see you in studio then.